Here's a look at the HARDELL Rotary tool accessory kit. It has 227 pieces and it comes in a hard plastic case like this, which is pretty nice. And you open it by pulling the sleeve there. And here are all the tools and accessories. It does come with a little printout saying which tools are good for which material that you're using: plastic, wood, steel, what have you. The print is very small, very tiny, and it's difficult to see, but it's good that it's there. All right, here's all your pieces. I did try on some of the pieces. They fit pretty nicely, but I did notice that the sanding wheel is lopsided. So when I insert it, you can see, I'm not sure if you can tell by the camera, but it's definitely lopsided. Maybe if I turn slowly by hand. Yeah, it's definitely lopsided. So that's not a good sign. Another issue I have here is these wheels, they're not secured in tightly for some reason, so they come loose. I understand that when you tighten it, it's supposed to screw it in and therefore tighten it, but I don't like the fact that it just comes loose so easily like this. All right, besides that, I don't see any other issues, and given the price, I think it's a pretty good accessory kit. It's definitely not better than Dremel, but for the price, it's okay. All right, thanks.